today's video, we are going to showcase first 5 mods you should do for your FL5 Civic Type-R. Now, if you guys recently just got your FL5 Civic Type-R and you guys want to get into the mods right away, this is the video for you, so make sure to stay tuned for this. For number 5, we are going to start with the FL5 wing risers. Adding wing risers to your FL5 Civic Type-R not only gives you the aggressive look or aggressive track look, and also enhances the downforce, especially if you go track or if you want to go fast on whatever safe roads. For our fourth list, we have the carbon fiber front lip. Now, we are aware the FL5 front end is already pretty good, but adding a carbon fiber front lip or transform the car even more, even if you don't have no wheels yet, no suspensions or nothing like that. Adding a front lip, especially carbon fiber, will definitely be a good fit for that. For third list, we have the wheels. Now, a lot of you guys to go wheels first before anything. It's a preference, I would say. So we have the Mugen MF10 wheels. Now, these are bronze, so we need to clean them a little bit. We have one with 9.5 square. Now, for this Mugen wheels, these are really lightweight, which is real good. One of my favorites, honestly. And on top of that, I mean, you can't go wrong with JDM wheels, man. You know, so it's a JDM car. Putting on the JDM wheels, definitely a must. Before we go to the second list, a lot of you guys are probably wondering why we have not lowered the FL5 Type-R yet. There's a few reasons why. First things first, we are currently pushing 533 horsepower, so it's pretty high horsepower for the front-wheel drive. We wanted to see if the stock suspension could handle it, and so far, it's about to be a year. It's handling pretty great, guys. Second thing, we live in California. They're always messy here. Not all of it, but for the most part, it is. Lastly, guys, when these cars came out, they were named the front-wheel drive king at the Nürburgring in Germany. There's a reason why the drivers labeled them their front-wheel drive king. Stock suspensions are definitely A1. You might be wondering, are you guys going to drop the car eventually or in the near future? Of course, we're considering that. In fact, we already have the suspensions for it, but we're just not going to tell you yet what we have. Anyways, going back to the second list. For our second list, we have the turbo inlet pipe kit. This turbo inlet pipe kit not only gives you that look, that really shiny look, and also burnt titanium, it also improves airflow to the turbo. So you guys know the turbo is right here, enhancing throttle response and overall engine efficiency. So definitely a must right here. And also the pricing is actually not that bad. So definitely a must. On our number 1 list, we're going with exhaust. Now, typically, a lot of car guys, especially when they get their own cars, they would want to go with a few things. Suspension, exhaust, a few bolt-ons, and maybe some aesthetic parts. But the reason why we put this in the last one is because we all know 90% of the time, new car enthusiasts or any kind of car enthusiast would get their own platforms. Any platform, they always search this up on the internet. What is the best exhaust for this. For this FL5 Civic Type-R, we have our PLM full titanium valve exhaust. We decided to go with a titanium look. We wanted that burnt, also shiny look. And on top of that, isn't that super loud, but also it is loud, if that makes sense. There's a loud that's really raspy, but also at the same time, it's not that good. However, our full titanium valve exhaust has 3 mufflers, 2 resonators in the mid, or let's just say 5 mufflers out of all. It still sounds pretty good in my own opinion, especially when VTEC comes in there, man. So you will definitely hear that Honda sound right there too. Now that you know the top 5 new mods for the FL5 Civic Type-R, I want to know now, which mod would benefit your car the most? Would it be the wing risers? Would it be the carbon fiber front lip? Would it be wheels? Any kind of wheels? Would it be the turbo inlet pipe kit? Or would it be the full titanium valve exhaust or any kind of exhaust? I want to know your answer, guys. Comment it down below. If I missed anything, also make sure to comment it down below. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to share this video on your social medias and also follow us on our social media accounts underneath below. TikTok, Instagram, and also Facebook. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.